for live. Yeah, we are live. This is the Martin Fowler Scrum. It's Mitesh and me, Nico. Let's see what I've been doing. Not much during this week, but I still have the pull request for working on the removal of Mercury on website one. That is the website one project. And the other thing is I have to still work on the fix for the projects model, yeah, and the relationship with the source repositories, so we can let the user decide whether to select a primary repository or not. Hey, Matthew.
Hello.
Hello, man. Hello, Anne.
Hello.
That is me, and the next in line was Mitesh. Mitesh, do you want to share with us anything?
So I guess today's my first day joining AgileVentures.
Nice, man.
So I've just been doing some of the Ruby stuff, some of the Code Academy tracks, and starting CS 169. And I think I'll probably join a project today as well.
Nice, cool. I don't know. You have joined the newcomers channel?
No, I haven't yet.
Because there you have a list of the most popular projects. So if you want to take a look.
Yeah, I'll do that. Thank you.
And Matthew, what about you?
Yeah, I'm good. Let's see. Today we have the Elixir mob in about 45 minutes. So we're gonna do that. I think we're gonna be pairing on Champion 1 project. And then I have I think then after that is the website 1 meeting. So Mitesh, if you're interested in Ruby on Rails, website 1 is the landing you would have seen, I think, is the home page for the Agile Ventures. So we have the regular, I think it's regular meeting, or yeah, we have a meeting at in about 3 hours from now. And then I have a pairing session on Champion 1 as well. Also later today we have the RFM Hund meeting this afternoon, which is using Ruby on Rails on the back end and Ember.js in the front end. So that's what I'm going to do today. Tomorrow morning, I have a job interview, actually.
Hey, nice.
Kind of crazy. So let's see how that goes. It's for junior programmer position. So yeah, don't know. I think from what I've heard, the languages they use is like maybe C# or C++. I don't remember, which I don't know anything about. So that's good. And also React, which yeah, I guess I know a little bit from dabbles here and there. But yeah, let's see.
Okay, cool. Well, good luck.
Oh, sorry. One thing also as well, Mitesh, if you make your way over to the Weekend Collaboration channel, we have every Saturday and Sunday we are meeting at 5 p.m. UTC for going through like this last weekend. We're going through some of the Code Academy stuff with one of the other Agile Managers members, and we're getting close to starting like the week 1 homework in the sessions. So we're kind of going through from the beginning all the way through the CS 169.1x, and then after that we're gonna go straight into the CS 169.2x. I think is it.
Nice. I didn't know about the weekend meeting, so yeah.
Oh, really?
So yeah, have no idea.
Yeah,
so
we're there every weekend. Cool. And also what we're doing is like for people who are a little bit further on in the course, we're kind of like going week by week and setting up to where we meet like an hour earlier, and then we do some of the like week 3 or week 4 stuff, and then when it's like the regular meeting, then we kind of go, okay, so who's the furthest behind? All right, cool. So then we do that, you know.
Nice. Hey, Sam.
Hey, Sam.
Hey there.
Hey.
And the next was Luan. Do you wanna share with us?
Hey, basically joined you guys. So I was working as a junior developer a couple of months ago, working in Golang, but sort of I left that job wanting to do something a little bit more meaningful and save the worldy. So yeah, basically left that, and then for the last couple of months I've been retraining. I originally did a web development bootcamp, so sort of rebuilding those skills, especially Ruby and Rails, which I really enjoy using, and yeah, quick build. So I've been sort of relearning that on my own, but realizing that if I want to do it as kind of fast and as well as I can, then I need like pairing time with other people or experienced people. And then I came across you guys with the open source projects and pairing, like way too perfect. And all the Ruby on Rails projects look amazing. So I'm really interested in like website one is cool, but also the Wikipedia project, because after I sort of bed in my Ruby on Rails, I really want to learn React. So that's really cool. So I don't know what your model is and how the pairing works, but I'm super interested to do some with you guys and contribute.
We're gonna be we're gonna be pairing tomorrow on website one. Like we're gonna talk about. I already said about the meeting later today, which I'm sure we'll talk a little bit about. But we're gonna be pairing on website one tomorrow, and you're welcome to join us if you'd like.
Cool. Is it like mobbing? Is it one-on-one pairing or?
It depends. I guess it's case by case. Like,
yeah, we have mobs. We've got like a website one meeting later today. Like we've got in 40 minutes from now, we've got a mob which is on Elixir, which will be mobbing, and then we've got like a website one kind of meeting which may evolve into sort of a bit of mob pairing, which is like thing. And then I think Matt, like tomorrow, the website one, that will depend partly on how many people turn up, I guess.
Yeah. Right now it's a pairing session. Like normally, like the way I do it, like personally, is that I try to confirm with at least one person, and then having confirmed with one person, then kind of open it up to other people to join. You know,
cool.
And then it can, evolve into a big mobbing session in theory.
Cool. Sounds
Nice.
good.
Awesome. And I think the next one, Sam, do you want to?
Hey everybody. Yeah. So I've been on private projects this morning, but thank goodness we made progress with what is it even called? It's not called MediaWiki, it's called WordPress. So we've got the WordPress staging site set up for a private project. Thank goodness, that was driving me nuts. And then a bit more on the Electron project. Some good. I mean, all great pairing things, and like nothing important to report there from this morning. Yesterday, I made a fair amount of progress on getting the delegating tasks for the distributed teams teaching assistant course. Some good progress there. I can't remember. I'm a bit distracted by the football at the moment. The Belgian.
Yeah, you are there. I mean,
and tonight we've got So it's a bit difficult to focus. But so looking forward to, as I was mentioning already there to Luan, we've got the Elixir Mob coming up, website one meeting, and is there? I guess the RFM meeting is coming up after that. Yeah, not insanely blocked on anything now. So good to see everybody.
Nice. Okay, that was the Scrum. Now we are in the after Scrum. If you guys, I don't know, want to share anything, for example, when Luan was talking about he wants to learn React, I think that the Wikipedia is a really nice project for learning React, and it made me remind about my current job, where they are needing some changes on the UI, and I say, okay, I know a little bit about React, and they told me, okay, we have to reskin all the dashboard. Here you have. And I was like, I know a little bit. I say a little bit, but that's a comment.
Yeah, and we've got a React mob on Fridays. If you're free, Luan, if you want to join us for that. This Friday it would be, and then I think you're in the UK, Luan. So
based East London. Yeah,
same time zone as I sort of recognize the background there is looking a bit Shoreditchy. Yeah.
Sorry, what hour was that?
Are you? Yeah. The background. Which boot camp did you go to, by the way, Luan?
Makers Academy.
Oh yeah, I know them. Yeah. Good stuff. Yeah. What was I saying? So yeah, React Mobs on Friday at, gosh, what time is it? I've forgotten. Help me out. I think it's
I remember seeing it on the
12:45. Half an hour from now.
12:45. Yeah, it'd be in like the 12:45 p.m. slot for the UK. So love to see you there. But yeah, I think Luan, you and I had already connected on. Yeah, I guess the Elixir is. Yeah, the React mob will probably be more interesting for the Elixir. But if you want to just sort of like sit in on the Elixir mob in 35 minutes, you're more than welcome to do to see how it all.
I can't do today, but I'll join tomorrow for the React mob. I planned that in already.
Yeah, React mob was Friday.
Sorry, yeah, Friday.
Yeah, but no worries. Okay,
Very
cool.
nice.
I
will try to join also the React mob on Friday. Yeah, it will be nice.
Yeah, we actually made with Matt. Great effort from Matt. We made some, I think, good progress on the React mob recently.
Yeah, did you see? I was able to get crop that picture and get it transparent.
Oh, did you really? Oh, well done. Yeah, and I've got access to all of the originals now. I've got more stuff. So hopefully we can have a good push to get most of it done on Friday. Yeah, is there anything else that we need to work out? Sorry, I was late for the Scrum. I had other stuff going on. Did I miss anything? Does anybody have any blocks that I can help with?
Well, I didn't have a block. I was just saying that I got a word back and I have a job interview tomorrow morning for a program position. So yeah, I mean, I haven't heard great things about the company, so I'm a bit like, and it's a bit bittersweet because I'm thinking maybe an interview of like suggesting that they hire me, but then just have me like work on AgileVentures open source projects.
Yeah, sounds good to me.
But I don't know. Yeah. Maybe I can't start demanding that right away.
Well, I think it's. I mean, sometimes it's worth like the whole process of interviewing is a skill in and of itself, and so it's almost, and it's like, and it's also like it's a huge emotional effort to reach out to companies and even go through it. I think if you're kind of on the borderline and you're kind of company, it's almost worth doing the interview for the experience, just to hear what they say. And I mean, I can't imagine this, but some people they talk about how even when they've got like a full-time job, they'll still just keep doing interviews every other month or so to kind of keep themselves in the game, keep themselves fresh, talking to other companies, this and other.
The other cool thing that is going to happen tonight is we're having our first, I guess, for the Ruby Floripa group, we're having a English hack night.
Cool.
We're going to try to better their English, and yeah, we haven't set anything as far as like challenges or dojo or whatever, but I'm going to try to throw I would like to like work on some AgileVentures project. Really would be cool because then it's something that's not just like I like that afterwards it's something that's going to be used and like
totally
but
yeah. Well, that reminds me, we had a great. Is it Wednesday today? Gosh, I get so confused. We had a great meeting on Monday in the AV community meeting, and we were talking about all the different kinds of collaborative, like code jams or contests or, the jigsaw method that you were mentioning on Monday, Matt. I'm just so thrown off by the football. Like, what even happened yesterday? That's what happened. Is I had a great pairing session with Edwin from Guatemala on yesterday afternoon on local support, and we got him all fixed up so that he was able to deploy local support to Heroku. So that's fixed up, and I did some new docs, and I think Edwin pointed out, I think Nico, some of your older docs now, like one of the build packs is removed. So anyway, I sent you some messages. Okay. I try to improve the documentation there, but Edwin he wants to have like a local support instance that runs for Guatemala and like displays all of the NGOs that are in Guatemala. And wants to be able to like reskin the site, and we're talking about how, and they wanted like a full width map, which we would love to have as well. And that would be, and he's got like a sort of a design agency / digital marketing group that they work at over there. So I mean, that was always my long-term goal for local support, was that it effectively we could kind of have like a core thing that would be like it's showing like local stuff going on in events locally and what have you, and then people can use it for any location in the world, and we can make the underlying system generic. So you just you do a bit of admin and it's right, okay, the map is centered on wherever, Guatemala, and you've imported the stuff from the Guatemala government database. And anyway, so that's kind of exciting stuff, and we'll see where that goes. But
nice. Okay.
Nice.
There's a group here called Code for Filaripa that kind of they would probably be interested in something like that, you know.
Yeah. Well, we would. I mean, I would just so love to. We had like a couple of years back. We had like a Chinese student asking about sort of doing it, and we've got like an epic in the pivotal tracker for local support, which is like some of the things that we would need to do, like making it configurable, like which logo you display and so on. It would be really exciting to move forward on some of those things. But yeah, I say Mike. You say, hey, Mike. Good to see you, Mike.
Mike. Hi guys. Yeah.
Good to see you, Mike. It was I think Joao for the Met Plus he's got back from his house move, and yeah, he like pointed out a few things in the Met Plus channel that like for that project. Are you okay there? Like, do you need any help or support with what Joao was suggesting?
I've seen the mod, the ones with the yellow tags.
Right.
Yeah, they're fairly simple stuff. I'm going to try getting them working soon.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
I'll get and run with it. Yeah.
That's great. Yeah, don't hesitate to reach out if you need support. And there's a number of votes going on there. So like a good way to get involved in the project is start voting on the tickets in the channel there.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah, and if you don't, then you might feel like, oh, I don't understand these tickets, but like you can ask questions in the waffle or ask Joao in the thing, and get that conversation going and get more involved.
Okay.
Yeah, good stuff.
Okay, guys. I think that is all, right? I will stop the broadcast, but we can keep talking. So,